Question number 1.
Choose the correct sentence. A. He don't like pizza. B. He doesn't likes pizza. C. He doesn't like pizza.
Question number 2.
Synonym of end. A. Start. B. Begin. C. Finish.
Question number 3.
Antonym of truth. A. Reality. B. Lie. C. Honesty.
Question number 4.
I've lived here 2019. A. Since. B. From. C. For.
Question number 5.
Cost an arm and a leg means A. Very cheap. B. Very expensive. C. Free.
Question number 6.
Choose the correct article. She has dash umbrella. A. A. B. The C. An.
Question number 7.
I dash to school every day. A. Goes. B. Go. C. Gone.
Question number 8.
Antonym of soft. A. Rough. B. Hard. C. Sharp.
Question number 9.
Synonym of listen. A. Ignore. B. Hear. C. Watch.
Question number 10.
She is angry dash her brother. A. At. B. On. C. Ing.
Question number 11.
Let the cat out of the bag means A. Hide a secret. B. Reveal a secret. C. Set a pet free.
Question number 12.
They dash their homework. A. Done. B. Do. C. Did.
Question number 13.
Antonym of fast. A. Quick. B. Slow. C. Rapid.
Question number 14.
Synonym of cold. A. Chilly. B. Warm. C. Hot.
Question number 15.
The dog is sleeping dash the sofa. A. At. B. On. C. Ing.
Question number 16.
She is interested dash painting. A. For. B. At. C. Ing.
Question number 17.
Choose the correct sentence. A. We was happy. B. We were happy. C. We are happy yesterday.
Question number 18.
Antonym of easy: A, simple, B, difficult, C, clear.
Question number 19.
Synonym of help: A, avoid, B, assist, C, leave.
Question number 20.
He arrived dash time: A, in, B, at, C, on.
Question number 21.
Hit the nail on the head means: A, make a mistake, B, say exactly right, C, be angry.
Question number 22.
I dash watching TV now. A, is B, and C, B.
Question number 23.
Synonym of job: A, rest, B, work, C, hobby.
Question number 24.
Antonym of empty: A, full, B, hollow, C, light.
Question number 25.
Choose the correct article: I read dash interesting book. A, and B, a, C, the.
Question number 26.
Burn the midnight oil means: A, waste time, B, sleep late, C, work late.
Question number 27.
They dashed to the park yesterday. A, goes, B, went, C, gone.
Question number 28.
Antonym of love: A, hate, B, like, C, care.
Question number 29.
Synonym of smart: A, dull, B, clever, C, slow.
Question number 30.
The book is dash the bag: A, in, B, on, C, at.
Question number 31.
He is good dash football: A, for, B, with, C, at.
Question number 32.
Choose the correct sentence: A, they has two cars. B, they have two cars. C, they haves two cars.
Question number 33.
Antonym of brave: A, coward, B, bold, C, strong.
Question number 34.
Synonym of shout: A, whisper, B, yell, C, talk.
Question number 35.
he dash to music every evening. A, listens. B, listen. C, listening.
Question number 36.
On cloud nine means A, sad. B, angry. C, extremely happy.
Question number 37.
I dash been to Dubai. A, have. B, has. C, had.
Question number 38.
She's married dash a pilot. A, to be, with. C, by.
Question number 39.
Synonym of begin. A, end. B, start. C, stop.
Question number 40.
Antonym of weak. A, strong. B, soft. C, slow.
Question number 41.
Choose the correct sentence. A, I seen him. B, I saw him. C, I see him yesterday.
Question number 42.
A piece of cake means A, very hard. B, very easy. C, impossible.
Question number 43.
We waited dash the bus. A, at. B, for. C, on.
Question number 44.
Antonym of noisy. A, loud. B, silent. C, harsh.
Question number 45.
Synonym of cry. A, laugh. B, sob. C, scream.
Question number 46.
The sun sets dash the west. A, on. B, at. C, in.
Question number 47.
I look forward to dash you. A, meet. B, meeting. C, met.
Question number 48.
Bite the bullet means A, face difficulty bravely. B, eat quickly. C, talk fast.
Question number 49.
Synonym of quick. A, slow. B, fast. C, lazy.
Question number 50.
Antonym of polite. A, kind. B, rude. C, gentle.
How many did you get right? Comment your score below. Share this quiz with your friends' family. Let them test their English skills too. Like, share, subscribe for more quiz.